In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 240 by 6 using the long division method. As 2 is less than 6, that is why we will consider the two digits, that is the number 24. We know that 6 times 4 is 24. Subtract, we get 0. As this 0 is less than 6, that is why we will bring down this number 0 here. And see that this is the number 0. Therefore, we can remove 1 0. And we know that 6 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 240 divided by 6 is equal to 40. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.